Democrat Tulsi Gabbard has introduced a bill to the House of Education and Labor on December 10th, 2020. This bill goes along with Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972, where sex discrimination is prohibited in any educational program or activity receiving federal financial assistance. The bill reads as follows: to provide that for purposes of determining compliance with Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972 in athletics, sex shall be determined on the basis of biological sex as determined at birth by a physician. With this bill, women in sports will now have an equal opportunity as opposed to before where biological men who consider themselves female but based on a lack of knowledge of science will compete against biological women. Yesterday, Tulsi tweeted out these tweets explaining her bill where she says, from bottom to top, quote unquote, "My Protect Women's Sports Act simply protects the rights and interests of girls and women who participate in sports so they can compete on a level playing field. Denying biological differences between men and women undermines the reason why Title IX was created in the first place. My Protect Women's Sports Act is based on science. It safeguards equality and ensures a level playing field for girls and women competing in sports. It upholds Title IX's original intent, which was based on the general biological distinction between men and women athletes based on sex. Title IX was created out of recognition of a biological distinction between men and women, and the need to make sure women and girls have equal opportunities to compete on a level playing field in sports. My bill upholds the original intent of Title IX and strengthens it. That's all. And really, that is all it does. And it's about time a Democrat paid attention to science. You can check the status of this bill on congress.gov in the link in the description. And one more thing. This is the first time I've ever agreed with a Democrat on anything. If more Democrats were like Tulsi Gabbard, then we would all get along much better in an ideal society.
Thank you all for watching. Give this vid a liking. Go subscribe for much more. Comments I don't ignore. And post notifications.